Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, clock, brake assist, front license plate bracket, black door handles, 4-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.